Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. आई होप आप लोगों का न्यू ईयर बहुत अच्छा गुजरा होगा. मेरा भी बहुत अच्छा गुजरा. हालांकि उस न्यू ईयर पे इतना कुछ खास नहीं हुआ बट बहुत अच्छा गुजरा. फिर भी अकॉर्डिंग टू मी अच्छा गुजरा. सो एज आई सेड इन माई लास्ट वीडियो कि मेरा नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो है वो एक फैशन हॉल होने वाला है एंड इट इज़ लाइक गोइंग टू बी अ स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर फैशन हॉल. मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर से कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए थे एंड फाइनली 3rd Jan को इट गॉट डिलीवर्ड. लाइक ऑल द ऑर्डर्स ऑफ माइन फ्रॉम स्टील स्टाइल स्टोर got delivered. So today I got the chance to make a video on these products. I really wanted to make a video on this because एक आध चीज़ पे मैं थोड़ी सी disappointed भी हूँ and that I'll tell you in the video. Okay, so without delaying it, let's get started. So there was a scheme going on in Steel Style store. Like I'll say triple S. Okay, बहुत लंबा हो जाता है मेरे को बोलने में. So okay, so there was a scheme going on in triple S, and that was buy 3 for 1199. And from there I got 3 sets, like 2 cohort sets and 1 sweatshirt. So the first cohort set is, I really like this one. I mean, I never had this color. पहली चीज़ तो ये अभी ऐसे देखने में weird लग रहा है, see, but ये look पहनकर इसका look बहुत अच्छा आता है. This is a beautiful set of skirt and top. This I really like the material. It is very light, but it is basically for summers, and I really love the quality also of this product. Fitting wise it is very good. It fits really good on my body. I ordered it in size XS, extra small. So the second cohort set is a top and a pant. It is basically black and right now I am wearing it inside this, but definitely I am going to show you wearing it. But before that I'll let you know about the quality and about the material. Okay, so as I said कि कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा था, एक आध चीज़ ऐसी थी जिसमें I was disappointed. So this was the one जिसमें मुझे disappointment I felt, क्योंकि जो पैंट का इसका मटेरियल था लाइक इलास्टिक की साइड से it was like not good. The stitching of that product is not that good. अच्छा नहीं मुझे लगा. ये जहाँ अगर आपने पहना it is actually stretchable, but when you will like wear it, it can, उसका stitches टूट सकते हैं, जो भी stitching उसमें है वो टूट सकती है. So I was like not that satisfied with this one and I ordered it in size extra small again, but it was a little bit tight on me. It was stretchable, so I didn't want to return that, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि अभी मैं रिटर्न करूँगी तो ना जाने कितने टाइम के बाद ये आएगा मेरे पास दोबारा से. So yeah, so this is how it looks on me, and I am telling you already that I was not that satisfied with it, but it looks really good on me. So this is how it looks. Okay, so last in this 1199 wala scheme mein last thing was a sweatshirt, as I mentioned, and the sweatshirt is right now I am wearing. This is the sweatshirt and I really loved it. Like I really loved it. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इसका sweatshirt. इसका material बहुत अच्छा है. It looked really good on me. And wait, I'll show you. This is how it looks, and it was so comfortable and so beautiful, and I really loved the quality. You can see this was the quality of the material which is inside, and I really loved it. Basically it is a little warm also, so yeah, a big thumbs up for this. Now I'll tell you the MRP and the prices and the discount and the text of these three. So I got these all in 1199. So मैं आपको differentiate करके इसका MRP जो भी जितने में मुझे ये मिला है वो मैं बता देती हूँ आपको. तो पहला जो green coat set था, this one I got in 399. इसका जो प्राइस था it was MRP इसका 599 था, and all of are same as you can see in the pictures. So yeah, this was a scheme and I basically like it. So okay, so next one I have a beautiful sweatshirt and I really love this one. I'll show you. So yeah, this is the sweatshirt which I bought from there. It is quite big and it is actually warm. Its material is really good and I love the quality of this sweatshirt. I got this one in XS, S and M वाला जो size portion था उसमें मैंने इसको buy किया है. The price of this one is 699 after discount. So basically it is like 665 plus 33 rupees GST. So the MRP of this one is 999 and I got this one in 699 after discount, and I can say that I really love this one. The color, the material, I love. Okay, so last product of this fashion haul is these boots. I really love these. Actually, मैं इसको 3 से 4 बार पहन चुकी हूँ, so it does look like this, but it's very comfortable. It looked really good on me and I am totally satisfied with this purchase, and I am going. This was the first time कि मैंने Street Style store से एक boots buy किए हैं. I have never bought any shoe, any boot. Yeah, I bought a flat sleeper before from Triple S, but it was not that good. I didn't really like the quality of that one, but I am totally satisfied with the boots. I really love the quality. It is really comfortable after wearing it, and आपको इसको पैरों में पहन के दुखता नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, and I totally loved it, and I think that I can buy more from Triple S again. So MRP of this one I don't remember, actually the actual MRP I don't remember, but I got these in 799, 761 rupees plus 38 rupees GST, and yeah. I talk about their delivery time, so they definitely take a lot of time since मैं दिल्ली में रहती हूँ और इनका स्टोर भी दिल्ली में ही है. उसके बाद भी मेरे पास लेट प्रोडक्ट्स डिलीवर होते हैं इनके. हालांकि इस बार this time for the very first time मेरे पास 3-4 चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी डिलीवर हो गई थी. like 11 दिसंबर को I placed the order and 15th दिसंबर को I got the boots and 18th December को I got all the three products which I bought in 1199 वाला scheme. And सबसे late which I got is that pink hoodie. I got that one on 3rd Jan. अभी कुछ दिनों पहले ही, 1-2 दिन पहले ही मुझे ये रिसीव हुआ है. सो ओनली थिंग विच आई गॉट रियली लेट. सो बेसिकली इनकी डिलीवरी लेट ही होती है, उसमें वी कांट हेल्प इट. So yeah. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you like my video. I hope you like this fashion haul. I am sorry if मैं कभी confuse कर देती हूँ आप लोगों को. I am really sorry because मैं अभी start किया है मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें करना. I really had no idea how to make it. So I am learning it gradually and सीखने के साथ साथ ही I'll be like a pro in this. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Next video का I don't have any idea that what I am going to make. But मैं पूरा try करूँगी आप लोगों को entertain करने का. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, goodbye and take care of yourself. I'll see you. Bye.